Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by assessing the rust. Decide if it's surface, scale, or penetrating because the repair path differs. Once you know the type, clear surrounding paint and contaminants so tools can reach metal. Put on gloves, goggles, and a respirator. Make sure to ventilate. Then secure the part or panel on a stable surface and lay a drop cloth to catch debris. Finally, choose abrasive grade, 80-120 grit for heavy scale, finer for surface rust, and have a wire brush ready before you begin grinding. Now you remove rust mechanically. Use a wire wheel or grinder for scale, sandpaper for light corrosion, and stop when you reach clean, bright metal. Make sure not to gouge. You only need sound substrate. Once done, apply a rust converter or phosphoric acid to neutralize microscopic corrosion. Follow product timing and rinse, then let the metal fully dry. Next, wipe with solvent to remove oils, feather the paint edges for adhesion, and verify the surface is bone dry before moving to filler or primer application. Finish by repairing holes with a welded patch or body filler for non-structural areas. Shape and sand to a smooth contour. Then apply an etch primer to promote adhesion, followed by primer, base coat, and clear coat, allowing each layer to cure per manufacturer times. Make sure seams are sealed and undercoating is applied where needed to prevent moisture. If rust reappears, inspect for trapped water, failed seam sealer, or thin metal. Address by resealing, improving drainage, or replacing the panel to stop recurring corrosion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.